You guys. I'm thinking about whether I want to talk about this or not. I'm 100% sure I don't, and yet here I am. Because I just prayed and doggone it. All right. This show is not about my personal life. This show is not me sharing my personal life. I know that's all YouTube is about, and all Facebook is narcissism. Hey, look at me. Whether it's my joys, my cat, whatever, or my pain. It's not my intention to have a show where I cry every other day talking about something. And so I kind of thought about not doing a show today. I'm fine. I am totally fine. Something happened. Hello, it's Natasha. Hi, sweetie. What's the matter? I'm getting jammed up again. Why? Because I want to talk about Connie. Are you sure? No. Good luck. Thanks. All right, so my Aunt Connie passed away. And I'm not going to do a show just crying. And, I'm not telling you guys because I want everyone to go, oh, I'm so sorry for you. Don't, But that's why this show is weird. I don't know. If I talk about her, I'm going to lose all control of the show. It's not going to be funny at all or even entertaining. But let me just say, I'm probably going to cut this show short today. Maybe tomorrow I can talk about her. Yeah. Hello. Hi, sweetie. I can't talk about it. Do you want to come back? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to lock in on your coordinates. Thank you, sweetie. I'm going to teleport back. Ready? Yep. Hang on. Are you okay? No. What are we going to do? I don't know. Do I talk about Connie and just cry for the rest of the hour and, get all kinds of sympathy from the BOOZHOO crew? No. Then what am I going to do? Be funny? I don't know. How can I be funny? You could play that super sad song about your grandpa running away from boarding school? Yeah, that'd be the answer. Oh, man. What do you think, Paul? I don't know. I love Connie, too. I know you did. We all did. We all do. Yeah. Jessica says, take the time that you need. You need to find your grief relief. Yeah, thanks, Jessica. Grief relief. On sale now at Amazon.com. Grief relief. I wonder... Oh, what's that? And Dog and Mangan. Dog in Mingen is a book written by Michael Lyons about a dog and a Maingan. Dog speaks English. Maingan, wolf, he speaks Ojibwe. And together they count to 10 in the Ojibwe language. Counting out little different animals like the eagle, there's Migizi, and the 3 bears. And there's Niwin, that means 4. Niwin, Ace Banag. There's some raccoons in there. Oh, wow, you could get a picture of a raccoon. And then they're counting out, what do they find here? Some deer. Wawa Shageshiwag. Michael, you just drew a whole bunch of pictures, didn't you? Yeah, I spent a lot of time drawing this one. Andewug, crows, some trees. Oh, that's just pretty out here. There they are looking for something else. The rabbits, Wabazoog, and then the glitchy video. And they just run around. In the book, my big fat face isn't in front of it the whole time. La 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 la. Dog in Mingen. On sale now at Amazon.com. But what I was hoping to do was look for that comic book that Michael wrote called Grief Relief. And, okay, shut that off. Browse. Hi guys, I know this is totally not entertaining at all. I'm sorry. I bet you Joe Rogan's doing something. You might want to, click over there. I've never seen a Joe Rogan podcast since he left YouTube. I know. How does that work? Has anybody seen it? I don't know. All right, let's see where Grief Relief is. EFG. Greetings in summer. Grief. I wonder if this is a 11:43. No, I'm not going to play an 11:43 video. Is this the other video where I just start crying?